Yo, what's up guys? It's MiSTic and Amazon just changed everything. We are officially getting a total Fire TV redesign and a massive speed boost next month. If your stick has been lagging, this is the fix you actually have been waiting for. So let's get right into it. Amazon officially confirmed they've rebuilt the underlying code of Fire OS from the ground up. So we aren't just getting a new look, we are seeing a 20 to 30% gains in speed when navigating. And the new design is cleaner with rounded corners and a layout that actually feels modern. Now, the biggest quality of life update, they finally increased the app pen limit. So we're going from a tiny row of 6 apps up to 20 pinned apps right on your home screen. So no more digging through your app library every single time you want to switch programs. Now, it's not just your TV. The Fire TV mobile app is also getting a massive glow up to match the new design, and you can now use your phone to browse content, manage your watch list, and start playing titles on your TV before you even pick up the remote. So when can you get it? This update hits the Fire TV Stick 4K Plus, the 4K Max 2nd Gen, and the Omni Mini LED series this February. But if you have an older stick or Fire TV like TCL or Hisense, don't worry because it's coming out in the spring. And now for my gamers, we have some huge news because NVIDIA just confirmed GeForce Now is coming natively to Fire TV. So there's a free ad-supported tier for 1080p gaming, but you can also jump into the performance or ultimate tiers for 4K and up to 240 FPS if you want zero lag experience. Now I'm going to be testing this live on my gaming channel, MiSTic Gamer, to see if this $50 stick can actually handle high-end cloud gaming. So make sure you're subbed over there to see the performance test the second they drop. Now this is a massive free upgrade for the community, and I'll show you guys how to force this update as soon as it does hit in February. But other than that, of course, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.